Today guys, I show you how to delete Instagram account fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just open your Instagram like me and open your profile. Go in right corner, click these vertical dots, go on account center, move here down and you will see personal details. Open it. Move here down, delete or deactivation, just click on it. Choose this, choose your Instagram account. As you can see, first is deactivate account and second is delete your account. All you need to do, just go next, skip this and go next. Type your password and you have delete your Instagram account. And that's it all guys for this video, how to delete Instagram account fast and easy. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.